Welcome to Innovative Foods. Don't throw away your leftover bread. Today we are turning it into crispy and delicious leftover bread pakoda snacks. They are easy to make, full of flavor. Let's start the recipe. Heat 1 tablespoon oil in a pan. Add half teaspoon mustard seeds, half teaspoon cumin, and let them crackle. Stir in half teaspoon ginger garlic paste. Add 1 teaspoon chopped green chilli. Bread pakoda is one of the most loved Indian street snacks. Now mix in 1/4 teaspoon turmeric powder, half teaspoon coriander powder, half teaspoon salt. Add 2 boiled mashed potatoes. Mix everything well. Cook for 1 minute on medium heat. Turn off the heat and let the potato filling cool slightly. Take half cup gram flour or besan. Pour in 1/3 cup water and whisk until smooth. Add half teaspoon chili powder, 1/4 teaspoon turmeric powder. Season with half teaspoon salt, 1 chopped green chilli. Sprinkle in half teaspoon chili flakes, half teaspoon ajwain. Mix in some fresh coriander leaves. Ajwain adds a unique aroma and pairs perfectly with gram flour. Now add half cup chopped onion. Give everything a good mix to make a thick coating batter. Keep the gram flour batter thick so it coats the bread evenly. Take few bread slices. Trim off the edges. Using leftover bread is a smart way to reduce food waste. Spread prepared potato mixture evenly. Fresh potato filling makes every bite soft inside and crispy outside. Place another bread slice on top. Cut it into pieces. Dip each piece into the gram flour batter. Heat oil over medium heat. Carefully place the coated bread into the hot oil. Fry on medium heat for a crisp outside and fully cooked inside. Fry until both sides become golden brown and crispy. Gram flour adds plant-based protein and fiber to the recipe. Your crispy leftover bread pakoda snacks are ready, golden on the outside, soft and flavorful on the inside. They are perfect for tea time or whenever you are craving something delicious. Make them at home and enjoy every crunchy bite with your family. Follow Innovative Foods for more easy recipes, delicious snacks, and everyday homemade cooking.